What's up guys, welcome to TechTube HD. So finally I've downgraded my OnePlus 7 to OS 10. There are many reasons why I downgraded, but let me tell you, if you want to know how I downgraded, or if you want to know how to flash your bricked OnePlus 7 to the stock ROM OS 10, then this is the video where I'm going to show you guys, but I'm not going to show you with this brief explanation. This is just a quick video to explain you guys how to downgrade or how to flash OnePlus 7. Now let me tell you why you should downgrade your OnePlus 7 to OS 10. First of all, the latest update that you're getting via OT update in your system settings is the beta version, and it is definitely going to have lots of bugs and glitches. On the other hand, you do get a new interface, some new features with the camera, with the settings, with your phone notifications. You get many new features, but at the same time you are getting lots of bugs and glitches. So I would say wait for those bugs to get fixed, and then upgrade your phone to the final stable upgrade. Until then, stay with OS 10.0 if you have not upgraded your phone yet. Now let's get started, and let me show you how to downgrade your OnePlus 7 or any other OnePlus devices, or let's say how to flash your OnePlus 7 or any other OnePlus devices to stock ROM. Now if you don't know, let me tell you guys, all the OnePlus devices is having this same procedure to downgrade or to flash stock ROM on these devices, but the files are different. So basically when you are downloading the particular file, the particular firmware to your OnePlus device, I'll get back to this in a minute. First of all, let me show you how to connect your phone to your computer and how to get started with this flashing process. So let's get started. So these are the two main files that you are going to download, the firmware itself and the drivers. So I have already extracted both the files. This is the drivers folder and this is the firmware folder. So when you open this firmware folder, you get to see this MSM download tool. Now this is the tool that we are going to use to flash our device. So to open this tool, just hit run as administrator and open it as administrator. So this is the interface. The first button you can see is the start button and the enum. So these are only the two buttons that you are going to hit during this process. So first of all, when you connect your phone, let me show you how to connect your phone to your computer. So first of all, switch off your phone and make sure you are using recommended stock USB cable, or the cable whichever you are going to use is not damaged. Now before connecting your phone to the computer, press and hold the volume up and down button at the same time, and now connect your phone to the computer and make sure the device shows in the drivers. Now we are ready to go and hit enum and start. It will start the process automatically. So this is how you downgrade or flash your OnePlus devices back to stock ROM. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next one.